Hey everybody, this is Sully, and I'm out here with Sophie, who is enjoying the sunlight. So a few people have asked where I've been, and I just want to give you an update. I have been dealing with a little bit of an issue, if that shows. Yeah, a little bit of an issue to where my beloved dachshund threw her back out. And we are post-surgery now, finally getting to a point where she can't walk yet, but we're trying, and we're going for our 2-week checkup tomorrow. And I just wanted to throw out this little short to just tell you I will be back very soon. Been practicing music and doing some more stuff in Da Vinci, but for right now my priorities are my actual job and my doggie. But we will be back soon, so peace out. Thanks. Y'all have a good one.